Right, someone's asked us about the Range Rover Land Rover Navigation system. They said, well, it must have a hard drive in it. So this is a hard drive. I bought it off eBay. Apparently it's out of an Evoque. But it's the same for the Discovery 4. It's the same in our Range Rover Sport here. This one here, Harry, show them this one here. It's the same in that one if you go inside the dash. So we're going to have a look. And they said, oh, wouldn't it be cool if you could put a solid state hard drive inside? So it did seem an interesting thing to do. So we're going to take this apart and have a look if we can see if there's a hard drive in it. Then we're going to have a look if we can work out how to rig up some computer to it and see if we can see what data's on it. So I've got no idea what I'm doing here. I've got Harry helping me today on the camera. Ian's left us, hasn't he, Harry?
He has.
Yeah. Ian's left. He's gone on to pastures new. So I'm going to get some t-shirts made up that say, come back, Ian.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, let's have a look what's going on here. So I've got no idea. Obviously, this top bit might be an optical drive. I might be going about this wrong, but let's have a quick look. If it gets dead boring, I'll do one of those speed up, what do they call it, time lapse thing. Let's have a look. I reckon this is just going to be the optical drive on the top here. Right, let's have a. Yep, that looks like an. Oh, look, I got a free CD, Harry.
Lovely.
Get in. How do I get it out? What have I got? Now that's what I call Music 92. Do you reckon that's from 1992? Or do you reckon that is like a super late one in the series?
I think it's a late one, yeah. They do it in order.
Alright then. I don't know. We've got to work out how to get that out now. There's probably some tricky way of getting it out. Flipping bonus. 69 quid and I get a free. Right. Now it looks like there's 4 screws. 2 here and 2 here. And it looks like that. Do you reckon, Harry, that saddles this top, this little bit piggybacks on top?
Oh, yeah.
We ain't got a clue. Let's make it out. Well, let's have a look. Is those screws the same as those, Harry? Yeah, it's when we come and put it all back together, it all looks the same. Now, there's got to be some cable or some connector joining this top bit to the bottom bit, because they. And I reckon that might be something here, but I don't know if it's a plug or what. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Yeah, all the same. I don't know how to get the CD out now. Have a nice drive home, Harry, now. I'll have some sound tunes going on. Does anyone actually listen to CDs, Harry, anymore?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
No.
Right then. No, it's not having. Right, we're going to have a. Oh, hold on, there's some on the back. Is that. Do you reckon that back plate joins it on there, I reckon?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I can feel it. So I guess, right, so first thing is we've learnt that if you have a problem with your optical drive, like say one of your kids puts what do they put in there, a wagon wheel in your... I got a habit of doing that, kids. They'll ram anything in a CD thing. Right, all those screws look the same to me. Right, come on then. No, still not moving. Right. We're going to have another look. Oh, it's got those ones along the bottom now as well. We're going to have those people complaining again, Harry. They'll say you should have rehearsed it first. Right, so all these plugs on the back is because this is the main unit for the navigation and audio system. The screen is pretty much just a dumb screen, it looks like. It looks like we've got all the computing power is in this module here. So some of these buses here, this one here is an optical bus. Right, let's have a look. Is it going to eventually... Oh, that's moving now, isn't it? Right, that's moving at the... There's something still holding on at the front. Right, we've sort of... Well, there's some screws right in through here, so we're going to take these out next. But yeah, I do apologise. We're making this up as we go along. Right, let's have a look what screw screw that is out. Well, they're slightly different. Look, see these ones have got a smaller head on them. This one here, so keep those separate. So we're going right down inside. Can you see where that is, roughly, Harry, on there? Yeah. So it's down inside the. I'm going to try and remove that optical. I was hoping the top would just come off, piggyback on that bottom one, but they've put an extra screw. There's an extra screw in the middle here somewhere, and I can't quite work out how to get it out. So yeah, these 4 screws are different. Is that gonna... Ah, look. Wait, right, so that's on 2 ribbon cables. Right, so let's have a look at the back. So what you can do with these, let me get it up this way, Harry, and then you can perhaps get a better view of that. If you lift up there with your fingernail, hold up, I'm a bit in the way. No? No, it's going to be, no. Look, you see that? If you pull those little white bits downwards, unclip those, that should release that ribbon cable there. I'll do it on this one now, I've worked it out. Click that down. That one, that. Alright, so that's the optical drive with now 92. That's our next challenge, to get now 92. So if you have problems with your optical drive because you've spilt coffee or the kids have put something in it, you could just buy that bit and that would be a fairly easy swap over then. Right, now what this exposes is that screw there at the front that I should be able to take out, and then we can have a look what's in the unit below, hopefully. Right, now we've got these ribbon cables that are passing through, so I think we're going to have to be a little bit careful. Are they going to slide out on there? Yeah. So let them slither out. Right. We're going to get them back in. Oh, we've got another. What's that little? Anyway, we've got some sort of tether cable. Okay, so when you flip this top bit off, when you've got that undone and you flip that over, there is indeed a hard drive here. So we do have a Hitachi hard drive. So it looks like we could maybe take this off here and see if we can get an adapter and see if we can read the data on there. And there may be a quicker way of updating the software on that. If you carry on watching, I'll show you how to strip down the rest of this. So you can see, if you want to remove all of this, how to do that. And then we'll do another video where we look what is on this drive here. That's those 2 out. And there's another one underneath. How does this one? This one might be a fingernail one. Yeah, that one's different. See that, how that opens there? So you have to release that. Right, and then where does this black one go? That goes up onto the front somewhere. Right, we leave that there. Right, have we got a hard drive yet? I can't see any sign of any hard drive yet. So maybe it's under this circuit board. So let me take off this ribbon cable here. See, I'll flip that one up. That's that one up. This looks like an antenna here. I wonder if I can take that off. I've had these before on a laptop and they sort of pull up here. So I just grabbed it and pulled that off. Right, we got that all the way off. Right then, let me rotate this area so it's a better way round. Now we've got to work out how to take this. So we've got a back. We can take this back panel off. And I think those are the same screws as we had before, yeah. That one as well. I reckon it's going to be buried Wait. Right. Let's see if we can take this circuit board out now. Oh, they got some tricky screws on there. So it looks like the ones that are holding it down have got these sort of circles around them. Now, you should have ESD protection when you're stripping that down. So they're different. These ones have got like a little washer on them. I don't know if it'll focus if you go too close, but yep, so they're set. It's different again. I might... No, yeah. That's that one, that one, that one. Are you counting now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that one's gone inside. Yeah. Right. Well, that top circuit board. Oh, that's coming away. Right, let's pull. There's a plug here. I'm pull that one out. I'm going to keep going. Do anyone's still watching, Harry? Would have you stopped watching by now, Harry? Probably.
You knew that much went into a DVD thing.
Yeah. Well, this should do the sat-nav as well. So yeah, obviously the sat-nav's got all those maps in it, and it's all stored somewhere in the electronic land somewhere. That's me listening to YouTubers. They said it'd be a really good idea to do that on a video. So don't blame me. This was... I should quote them. Should I name and shame him?
Yeah.
If you look, it's on one of the videos, honestly. He said, oh, someone should do this. Right then. Biggest waste of £69 ever, Harry. Right. I reckon that's all of those. Oh, it's like Russian dolls, mate. What? They're having a laugh, aren't they? Is that at the bottom yet, or is there like another? There is another sandwich in there, isn't there?
It looks like it.
Oh. Oh, look, that one's a freebie. That one's coming apart for free. It's that connector there. Look, see that one there, Harry? How am I going to get that one out? I reckon if I press down on the top of that. Alright. That all. Anything holding that one on there, alright? Oh, yeah, it's got another ribbon cable there, look. There we go. That's how to strip your navigation computer down.